Hey folks, it's Russ. Today's Sunday, January 29th, 2023. I hope you're having a great day. I wanted to shoot a quick video to show you just how powerful the fear of missing out email series is that LiveGood sends out on your behalf to all pre-enrollees, and why you shouldn't give up on this company, okay? So you can see right here, I just had somebody upgrade. It says, "Congratulations, Russ. John placed an order." And you can see it came in at 5:08, all right? My time right now, it's 5:25 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So this came in about 17 minutes ago. All right, now I'm going to take you into my back office and show you the contact information for this gentleman, okay? I'm going to block out all of his personal information for privacy reasons. But you can see down here that John created an account. He became a pre-enrollee on January 11th. All right, that's 18 days ago. He upgraded today, the 29th. All right, and like I said, about 20 minutes ago, less than 20 minutes ago, he upgraded. All right, he sent me a text message. He said he'd been watching my YouTube videos. He liked what he saw, and he was going to jump on this and do it right away. And sure enough, he did it right away. So welcome to the team, John, if you're watching this. I look forward to working and earning with you and helping other people make money and get healthy. And I just wanted to shoot this to show you that this person was in the system for 18 days, okay, before they jumped on it. And you know, in marketing, it takes a person about 12 times to see an opportunity before they join, okay? So if you have a lot of pre-enrollees and you don't have many signups, or maybe you don't have any signups at all, stick with this. Stay consistent, okay? Just keep doing what you're doing. Keep showing your tour page to people. Keep talking to people about this company, and eventually things will happen, okay? I'm not a huge internet marketer, you know, as far as having hundreds of thousands of followers or anything like that, all right? I just stay consistent. I make a YouTube video every single day. I post on Facebook and on other social media platforms, and I let people know about this amazing opportunity, all right? That's all you have to do. If you put in the work and treat this like a real business, you're going to have success. And this is proof right here that the fear of missing out email series that LiveGood sends out on your behalf actually works, okay? And it's another reason why you shouldn't give up. 18 days ago, this person pre-enrolled, and they just signed up today, all right? So just keep that in mind if you get discouraged, or, you know, I did another video why you shouldn't compare yourself to other people in this company. Don't give up. Just stay consistent and good things will happen. All right. If you are just finding out about LiveGood and want to learn more about the LiveGood business opportunity, there is a link down in the description box. You'll be taken over to this page that looks just like this. We have a 5-minute and 55-second video that explains the company, the products, and how everything works. And you can reserve your spot in our matrix by putting in your first name, last name, and email and clicking reserve my position now. You can see here, there is no cost to reserve your free position, and you can opt out anytime. So it doesn't cost anything to take the free tour and check out the back office and learn more about this amazing company. If you have any questions about this, please leave them down in the comment section. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. And if you find any value in any of my videos, please consider giving me a thumbs up and subscribing to my channel if you haven't already. It helps me out, and I greatly appreciate it. That's it for this video. I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Don't give up, and stay well, be safe, and peace be with you.